We'll guide you through how to make a Steam account on mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. So Steam is a game marketplace and a game launcher. They've got so many different games on there, so let's get started. What you need to do is go and open up a web browser, and you then need to go and search for Steam like so, and you want to head to store.steampowered.com. When you're here, click the three lines in the top left, and then go to the top of the list and go and press login. What you can then do is go and scroll down, and you should see the option for new to Steam, create an account. Tap there and we can begin the process. So first of all, you need to go and enter in your email address. You need to read through and then agree to the Steam subscriber agreement. I already have. You also need to be at least 13 years of age or older and read and agree to the Valve privacy policy. Then press continue. Now we need to go to our email. Go to your email inbox and find the email. Maybe check your junk if you can't see it. Go and click on the link in the email and you'll verified it. Now you can come back here and choose your Steam account name. Not all Steam account names will be available, so you have to try them out. You can then go and choose a password and confirm it and press done. Now your Steam account is going to be created, and that's it. If we tap on the three lines in the top left, we can then go and see it at the top there. It's that simple. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day.